Hello dear children, welcome to the maths class of Standard 4. Now we are going to discuss the answers of drill time questions. Okay, we are going to discuss the answers of drill time question number 7 now. Okay, everyone look at this board. Compare the numbers. Okay, we learned about comparison in the previous classes. So this question is based on comparison. So the first one, compare the numbers 85,704, 45,910. Tell me children, which symbol we can write between these two numbers? Yes, greater than symbol. Because here 8 is greater than 4. Okay, so 85,704 is greater than 45,910. Now the next question. 5,814, 41,049. Okay, so look at these numbers carefully. Here the first one is a 4-digit number and the second one is a 5-digit number. Tell me children, which is the greater one? Yes, 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. So 41,049 is the greater number. Okay, you can put the symbol less than here. 5,814 is less than 41,049. Okay. Now the next question. 75,031, 51,840. Okay children, tell me which is the greater number? Yes, 75,031 is greater than 51,840. Isn't it? Yes, because the starting letters both are 5-digit numbers and here the 10,000 place digit is 7 and here it is 5 and 7 is greater than 5, that we know. Okay, so 75,031 is greater than 51,840. Now the next question, 15,813, 62,104. Okay children, so among these numbers which is greater? Yes, the 62,104 is greater than 15,830. Okay, in another words we can say 15,813 is less than 62,104. Okay, so our the mouth of the symbol will open towards the larger number like this. Got it? Now the next question, 39,520, 39,520. Here we can understand both are same numbers. So which symbol? Yes, equal to symbol. We can put equal to symbol between these numbers. Okay. So this is about comparison. Now we will move to the next question. Now the next question. Form the largest and smallest numbers using the given digits. So some digits are given here. You have to form the largest and smallest number using this digit. And we know to get the largest number, we have to arrange the given digits in descending order without putting the comma between them. And to get the smallest number, you have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order without putting the comma between them. Okay, so let's do this. So first is 52610. Okay, to get the smallest number we have to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, so here in ascending order the first number will be 0 and we know we have to interchange. If the 0 comes in the first position, we have to interchange that. Okay, so I am putting the 0 in second position. Then which number comes after that? 0, 1, like that it is going, right? So I am writing 1 in first position, then 0 in the second position. Okay, after that 2, 5, 6. Yes, this is the smallest number. Now to get the largest number, you can arrange in descending order. Okay, that is 6, 5, 2, 1, 0. That is 65,210 is the answer. Got it? Next is 96153. It's very easy for us to do because there is no 0 comes in the given digits. So we can easily write the digits in descending order and find out the largest number. Okay. So 9 in first position, 6, 5, 3, 1. 96,531 is the greater one, and then 1, 3, 5, 6, 9 is the smallest number. Now the next one, 74185. Here also the number digit 0 is not coming. So we can just arrange it in descending order to get the largest number, ascending order to get the smallest number. Okay. So smallest number is, that is 1, 4, 5, 7, 8. And largest number 87541. That is 87,541. Got it? Now, next number digits 1, 5, 2, 3, 8. So, to get the smallest number, arrange in ascending order without putting comma between them. That is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. That is 12,358 is the smallest, and largest 85,321. Got it, children? Now, look at the next one. 69150. Here the digit 0 comes. So, when we are writing smallest number, you have to interchange the position of first and second places together. Okay. So, here we can write like 0, 1, 5, 6, 9. But we have to interchange 0 and 1. So, 1, 0. So, 10,569 is the smallest number. And largest number, we can just arrange that in descending order. So, the largest digit is 9, then 6, 5, 1, 0. That is 96,510 is the largest number. Got it, children? I hope everyone got the same answer. Right? Okay. So, children, next question is, arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. We know ascending order means arranging the number from smallest to the largest, and descending order means arranging the number from largest to the smallest, isn't it? Okay, so look at this number and compare and find out the smallest number first to write in first position of in ascending order. Okay, so which is the first one? Look at these numbers: 51,058, 58,104, 58,105, 58,041. So we can understand all are 5-digit numbers. So check the digits in the first position, that is 5, 5, 5, 5. All are same. Now move to the next place, that is 1, 8, 8, 8. So which is smaller, 1 or 8? 1 is smaller, isn't it? So you can write 51,058 in the first position. Now look at the rest of the numbers, that is 58,104, and here all these are having 8 in the thousands place. So look at the digit in hundreds place, that is 1, 1, 0. So which is smaller, 1 or 0? 0 is smaller. So you write 58,041 in the second position. Okay. Now two numbers are left over here. So compare the next digits, that is tens place digits in these two numbers, that is 0 and 0, both are same. Now look, 4 and 5 in the last position, that is 4 is smaller than 5, right? So next number will be 58,104. And after that you can write 58,105. Got it, children? Okay. So now you can write the descending order. When you have to write the ascending and descending order for the same number, it is very easy for to answer, because first you do the ascending order and then just reverse the ascending order to get the descending order. That is, this one will be in the first position. That is 58,105 in the first, then 58,104, then 58,041. After that 51,050. Got it, children? Okay, so you will get the answer like this. Children, here is the B part question, second set of numbers, and you have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, so first I am going to take the smallest number from these numbers. So first you check all the numbers are 5-digit numbers or not. Here we can understand all the numbers are 5-digit numbers. So compare the digits in the 10,000s place. Okay. So here the 10,000 place digit is 9, 8, 7, 6. It's very easy because the 10,000s place digits are different in each number. Okay. So you take the smallest number, that is 65,987. Okay. So write that in the first position. 65,987. Then after that the digits are 9, 8, 7. Which is smaller? 7 is smaller. So write that 76,598. Then what is left? Two numbers left. So 98,765 and 87,659. So which is smaller, 9 or 8? 8 is small. So you can write 87,659. After that 98,765. Got it, children? So this way you can answer this. Now you can reverse the same ascending order, then you will get the descending order. So first number will be 98,765, 87,659, then 76,598, then 65,987. Okay. If you have any doubt in this, then you draw a place value chart, and after that you can answer it. Okay. And then when you will draw the place value chart, it will be very easy for you to identify which is the greater one and which is the smaller one. Okay, children? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Children, this is the C part question which is given in your textbook. That is 77,654, 77,653, 77,651, 77,652. Here you can understand all the numbers are 5-digit numbers. Okay. So what to do? Compare the digits in the 10,000s place. Okay. So that is 7, 7, 7, 7. All the numbers are having the same digit in the first position. So what to do? Look at the next digit. That is 7, 7, 7, 7. Here also it is same. So move to the next place. That is 6, 6, 6, 6. That also same. Then what to do? Move to the next. That is 5, 5, 5, 5. That also same. Now move to the last place. That is 4, 3, 1, 2. Among these, which is the smallest one? 4, 3, 1, 2. Which is the smallest one? 1 is the smallest number. So you can write the number which is having 1 in the first position. That is 77,651. So after 1, these are the three numbers. 4, 3, 2. Which is smaller? 2 is smaller. So 77,652. Then 3 and 4. Which is smaller? Yes, 3 is small. That's so 77,653. Now, which is only one number is left over here, right? So write that 77,654. Okay. Now reverse this. You will get the descending order. That is 77,654, 77,653, 77,652, and then 77,651. Got it, children? So this way we can arrange these numbers in descending order. Now let's move to the D part question. Now D part question: 65,807, 26,806, 96,905, 14,068. These are the numbers given, and all these numbers are 5-digit numbers. Now look at the 10,000 place digit and compare the 10,000 place digits. Okay. So here it is 6, 2, 9, 1. Okay. All are different numbers. So we can easily answer this question. So which is smaller among these? Yes, 1 is smaller one. So you can write 14,068 in the first position. Then after that, which is smaller? 6, 2 and 9. That is 2. 26,806. Then 6 and 9. Among these, which is smaller? 6 is smaller. That is 65,807. Then 96,905. Got it? Now reverse it. You will get the descending order. That is 96,905 in first position. then 65,807 in second, then 26,806 in third position, and 14,068 in the last position. Okay, children? This way you can answer. Okay? Now let's discuss the next. Children, now we are discussing the last part of this question, ascending and descending order, that is E part question. Okay? So the numbers 58,104, 67,104, 71,048, 40,328. Okay, these are the numbers. Now let's arrange this in ascending order. So we can understand all are 5-digit numbers. So compare the digits in 10,000 place. So 5, 6, 7, 4. Here all the digits are different. So we can easily answer. So which is the smallest among these? 5, 6, 7, 4. Yes, 4 is the smaller one. So first number will be 4,328. Now 7, 6, 5. Which is small? 5. So 58,104 is the next number. Now 6 and 7. Which is smaller? Yes, 67,104. Now last one is 71,048. Okay. Now let's reverse this. Then you will get the descending order. That is 71,048, 67,104, 58,104, and then 40,328. Okay, these are the numbers. Children, one thing you have to remember, if the question is asking to arrange in descending order only, then you have to take the largest number from the given question. Okay, and then find out the second largest. Like that you have to do. Okay, and in that questions no need to do the ascending order. You can just directly you can answer the descending order question. Got it, children? Okay. So I hope the answers of drill time questions are clear for you. We completed all the questions. Everyone study this chapter very well and do all the works. And don't forget to copy these all to your notebook. Okay. So see you in the next class. Bye bye.